Curb appeal is more than just a visual upgrade, it's a reflection of how well a home is cared for. In Warren neighborhoods, where homes range from classic mid-century ranches to updated two-story properties, exterior appearance plays a big role in neighborhood pride and property value. One of the most effective ways homeowners improve the look of their homes is by installing replacement windows. Modern window upgrades offer immediate visual impact while delivering long-term benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. Here's how replacement windows help transform curb appeal throughout Warren neighborhoods. A fresh, updated look that instantly stands out. Older windows often show signs of wear, faded frames, peeling paint, outdated grid patterns, or warped materials. Replacement windows instantly refresh a home's exterior by giving it a clean, modern appearance. New windows eliminate visible aging and discoloration, create crisp lines and uniform design, make homes look newer and better maintained in Warren communities. Even a simple window upgrade can dramatically elevate how a home looks from the street. Better proportions improve architectural balance. Replacement windows are designed to fit openings precisely, correcting uneven spacing or outdated sizing from older installations. Properly proportioned windows improve symmetry and balance across the home's facade. This is especially impactful for ranch-style homes with long front elevations, two-story homes needing visual balance, homes with multiple front-facing windows. Well-fitted windows help the entire exterior feel cohesive and intentional. Modern frame colors add style and contrast. Today's replacement windows come in a variety of frame colors that allow homeowners to customize their exterior look. Rather than sticking to faded white frames, Warren homeowners can choose finishes that enhance their home's style. Popular choices include classic white for timeless appeal, black or dark bronze for modern contrast, neutral tones that complement brick and siding. The right frame color highlights architectural details and adds depth to the exterior. Grid options that match Warren home styles. Window grids play a key role in curb appeal. Replacement windows offer flexible grid patterns that suit different architectural styles found throughout Warren. Options include grid-free designs for a clean, modern look, traditional grids for classic homes, custom patterns to match original designs. Choosing the right grid style ensures windows enhance, not clash with, the home's character. Clean glass and slim frames boost visual impact. Modern replacement windows are designed with slimmer frames and larger glass areas. From the outside, this creates a brighter, more open appearance. Benefits include increased natural light visible from the exterior, a lighter, less bulky look, stronger connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Homes with clear, modern windows simply look more inviting. Improved condition signals quality and care. Curb appeal isn't just about style, it's also about perception. New windows signal that a homeowner invests in upkeep and quality improvements. This perception boosts neighborhood appeal, increases buyer confidence, enhances resale potential, reflects pride of ownership in competitive Warren housing markets. These details matter. Enhanced trim and finishing touches complete the look. Replacement window projects often include updated trim and finishing details that further enhance curb appeal. These upgrades frame windows cleanly, cover old gaps or imperfections, create a polished, professional appearance. The result is an exterior that looks thoughtfully updated, not patched together. Long-term beauty with low maintenance. Modern replacement windows are built from durable materials that resist fading, warping, and peeling, important for maintaining curb appeal year after year. Homeowners benefit from minimal exterior upkeep, long-lasting finishes, consistent appearance over time. A simple upgrade with powerful visual results. Replacement windows are one of the most effective ways to enhance curb appeal in Warren neighborhoods. With modern designs, improved proportions, stylish finishes, and durable materials, new windows refresh a home's appearance while adding lasting value. For homeowners looking to elevate their exterior, replacement windows offer a smart investment that delivers immediate visual impact and long-term neighborhood pride.